So last thing we have that we kind of did in our brainstorming right at the beginning is diet notes and exercise log. So that, where does that go? Diet notes and exercise log. So what, I'm going to have you do that, but when I think about that, is that something that's going to be always the same for each dog? And we want to know that about each dog? Or is that something that's going to change every time they come in? And if it changes, do we need a record of what it was over time? So what it was before, do we need to know that? Or can we just replace what used to be there with something new and then just forget about what used to be there? No right or wrong answer. The way I just articulated that is two possible solutions. You can put diet notes right here. And then, new diet notes, fine. There go the old ones, here are the new ones. All right? And you could say, here are the diet notes for that one dog. Or if you wanted to keep track of diet notes over time, do some sort of like log, diet notes table, dog, and then notes. And then as they change over time, you can see and the date maybe, and you can see the most recent notes for the diet. So that would be like diet notes and exercise log. You want to keep track of their exercise over time? Are there going to be more than one entry? Is there going to be more than one entry for each dog? So how do you capture that? So you make the decisions about how to capture that information. Do it.